There are over 4,000 users of the 50,001 READY program Navigator worldwide. This is becoming kind of the default tool for implementing energy management systems around the world, which is one of the reasons we're so excited to be working with NRCan to bring the Navigator to Canada and the firms in Canada. The 50,001 READY program was developed by U.S. Department of Energy in 2017 to create a do-it-yourself tool for people to implement ISO 50001 energy management standard. The core of it is the Navigator, an online platform where you can set up an account and receive guidance and tools and resources to help you implement an energy management system. We break down all the things that you have to do to get certified into 25 discrete steps. And we break them down further into the 7 sections that are part of the ISO management system, the high-level structure that ISO has for all of its management systems. On the Navigator, you have a dashboard, and you can see how you're progressing within those 7 sections.
Alberta Pacific Forest Industries spent the last year implementing 50,001 READY to identify projects that can help reduce our energy consumption, reduce our carbon footprint, and to increase our efficiencies with our plants. So we've instituted some steam-saving applications like a stack heat recovery, where we capture the flue gas from one of our industrial boilers, and now we can use that heat to generate hot water for our process. So now we're totally independent of producing hot water from additional fuel, so that extra capacity allows us to put extra energy onto the grid to help support the communities around us. What 50,001 READY has assisted us with was the framework and the structure that's important to successfully implement 50,001 energy management program. I strongly recommend that other facilities take this on because it allows for an easier and better integration of energy management into their facility as opposed to kind of going in alone. And Natural Resources Canada is also taking this on as a way to identify facilities for being energy efficient.